Let's walk through how to connect your Walmart Seller Center account to TopDawg so you can start syncing products in just a few quick steps. If you already have a Walmart Seller account, select Connect Existing Store. If you don't have one yet, choose Build New Store to begin the setup process. From TopDawg's list of integrations, select the Walmart tile to continue. If you already have a Walmart store, click Connect Store. If you're opening a new one, select Open New Store to launch the application. If you chose to open a new Walmart store, complete the Walmart Seller application to create your account. If you selected the option to connect an existing store, log in to your Walmart Seller Center account to continue. Next, click Authorize to approve the TopDawg app and enable real-time syncing. That's it! Your Walmart integration is now connected. When you're ready to start adding products to your Walmart store, be sure to upgrade your Walmart integration first to enable syncing and automation.
Connect, simplify, scale. TopDawg, leading the pack in dropshipping.